I'm Jonas here at IBC 2025 and I'm excited to show you what's the latest with SpaceComz and give you a quick tour. So let's get started. This is the user interface. Still should look really familiar. One upgrade that we did do is if you go into more settings, our program mode is now a lot higher quality. We increased the bitrate for that. Still same thing, you can listen to as many channels as you want, talk in there, mute your mic, use push to talk to solo into something and put channel volume adjustments. You see who else is there in the intercom system with members. And you can also use the chat function to send a message over to your colleagues. I am also gonna go into the admin settings real quick. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up your first SpaceComz space. We have channels, so you can have as many channels as you want. We're not limited by any arbitrary number right now. Only limit that we have is 100 members in your space, so that's just users that are using your space. You can simply add them here, first name, last name, username, give a password, and then we generate all the credentials for them. And then you have two ways to add permissions to them. You can either do it here on the member itself. So if it's a specific like one-off user that you're creating, you can use that. Or if you have a lot of users that have maybe the same role or are in the same group, you can create a group. So for example, I have the engineering group here, and I can now give them permissions and then give multiple groups to a member. The other thing that we have is so-called talent links. What this allows you to do is create a name. I'll call this Jonas. And then you have a talent link. You can decide what group can talk to that talent link. And talent links are listen-only links that I can open one up real quick that allow you to just send that to your talent. They open that in the browser, simple click, log in, and now you're able to have discrete talk back to them. The other thing that I'll show you real quick in our documentation is our integrations. We are not only having a Zoom integration where you can port that talent link directly into Zoom, like something like that, and you can manage that within Zoom directly. But we now also have an integration with vMix Call. So if you go to vmix.spacecomz.io, you get the advanced vMix Call on one side, the SpaceComz talent code on the other side. You can customize what is set there with URL parameters. So you can just automate all of that, and then you have individualized talkback through vMix Call without needing to burn all your buses and channels for that. And the other thing that a lot of people already know is our SpaceComz.io module within Companion. So you can use that to control your intercom system. SpaceComz, of course, works with any audio interface. If you have an audio interface like this that allows you to have ducking on the second audio interface, that probably works better as an announce console. And we're also working on an Android and iOS app right now. We just didn't get it there in time for IBC. I am looking forward to releasing that this fall. And yeah, thanks you for joining me here at IBC 2025.